that I'm using. Are you seeing it? So the hair is almost here. So this is it. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be deep condition my hair for hair growth, guys. You guys know that when it comes to intense of hair growth, Jenny is there for you guys. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm going to be using today. So I am going to be working with banana today. So this is the banana I am having at home. When you want to make your deep condition moisture for hair growth, so if you want to use banana, I will recommend a very ripe banana for you to use, okay? Because that fresh one, you are not going to get a perfect result when you use that fresh one, okay? So it's better you leave it to ripe like this, okay? When it's getting darker, that's when you know that, okay, it's ready. Let me use it. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to be adding in, that I'm going to be using also, is honey. Honey helps a lot in terms of hair growth. It helps to strengthen your hair and stop your hair from breaking, okay? Banana helps a lot too in terms of hair growth, okay? So there's a lot of benefits for you to use banana to grow your hair, okay? So the next one is olive oil. You guys know that I love using olive oil a lot. I don't think I can grow my hair without not adding olive oil. So olive oil helps a lot in terms of hair growth. Give you strengthener, give you energy to grow, guys. So let's dive into this video. The next one that I'm going to be adding in is castor oil. So this is my castor oil, yes. So I am also going to be working with castor oil today. So the next one is jojoba oil. Do you guys know that jojoba oil works a lot in hair growth? You know, I remember back then when any oil you see me making, I must add this jojoba oil, but it's a bit expensive. So guys, if you can't find these two oil, so I think you should use olive oil, okay? So it's optional. If coconut oil is good on your hair or that your children's hair, your loved one's hair, I will also tell you to use coconut oil, okay? So guys, we are not going to be using egg today, so I am going to remove the back now because we are not going to be using the back, okay? So let's dive into this video. Everywhere is neat here. Oh, why are you falling? So I'm going to be adding honey to it, okay? I am going to be using a teaspoon of honey because my hair needs that strength now, okay? So that's why I am adding honey to it, okay? It's not that my hair is breaking, but my hair needs strength now also, you know. So the next one that I'm going to be working with is olive oil. So I'm going to add olive oil to it. So I am going to be using this spoon to measure, okay? So 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. So it's okay because I am also going to add the rest oil to it. I'm not going to add any water to it, okay? So because you don't need water in here, okay? So you guys know that I normally use sieve to sieve out my stuff, okay? So if you don't have the sieve, so you can use stockings to do it, okay? But for me, I prefer using the sieve to do it, okay? So this is how I do it. Are you seeing it? It has already started going down, okay? So I normally use this stuff, okay? I normally use sieve because to remove those shafts inside, you know, banana has those small stuff inside, those black stuff. So I don't need it inside here, okay? It's like this camera is blurry. So this is it. I have to throw this one away, okay, because we don't need it. So that's why you have to filter yours, because if not, all this thing is going to be in your hair, okay? It's time to add in our castor oil, okay? So I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of castor oil. You can use a teaspoon, okay? Sorry, it's a teaspoon that I measure, okay? So the next thing that I'm going to be adding, I am going to be adding jojoba oil. So I am also going to use a measurement of teaspoon, okay? Because that's exactly what I use in castor oil, okay? So the next one now is for me to mix everything. You have to stir it together, okay? So I have to stir everything together, and you have to make sure that you mix it well, okay? So when your oil is not enough, so at this point, so you are free to add any oil you used, okay? You can use almond oil, you can also use a coconut oil, okay? But for me, I prefer using this one, okay? But I'll buy almond oil when I go to the supermarket. So you have to stir it together, okay? Stir very well before using it, okay? Are you seeing it? So this is our homemade deep condition, okay? It's moisture, okay, for hair growth. So this is it. So is enough. So I will start applying it now. You see everything, okay? I'm going to comb my hair for you guys to see it, okay? The clove water that I used the last time, it works a lot, okay? It works on my hair very well, you know. I think my clove water will finish in 2 days because I am also still using it, okay? So let's see how longer my hair is now. Her logo. So this is it. See, you see, now my hair is here. Before I started using that clove water, my hair was somewhere here. Now it's here. Before it was here. So now my hair is here. You see? So are you seeing it? The hair is growing faster. Subscribe to my channel. You are going to be seeing everything that I'm using. Are you seeing it? So the hair is almost here. Before it was here. You know, it was here before. So there's one of my videos I uploaded the last time. I made sure it. So I think it was here or here. But now it's here. My hair is here. So follow this page. You are going to see everything that I'm using. As you can see, my front hair. I have gained back my front hair. Before I was not even having it. Okay, so this is my hair. This is it. Are you seeing it? It's growing fast. Okay. So let's pack it. Let's see. You see, before my hair was not even hot to packing at all. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So when I pack it now, I can pack it like this and leave. So if you want to grow your hair, what are you waiting for? Follow this page. Help me to share this page, God. I'm there. Gonna help me share this page. When you help me share this page, because see, now this thing I use, see, this is what I just blend. See, are you seeing it? So I just blend it. So
the night is young and the sky is clear. Gather round, it's that time of year when everybody's celebrating Hanukkah. A tale we will soon unfold of courage, light, and a miracle. Come on, let's celebrate Hanukkah. A little bit of oil, a little bit light, to last us 8 days and 8 nights. A little bit of joy, a little bit of hope. Our flame is burning, let it show. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's the festival of lights. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's a celebration of lights. We join together and sing the songs of battles won and spirit strong. We celebrate the story of Hanukkah. Dreidels are spinning, Gimel Shinun. Hey, don't let the locusts burn. Come on, let's celebrate Hanukkah. A little bit of oil, a little bit light, to last us 8 days and 8 nights. A little bit of joy, a little bit of hope. Our flame is burning, let it show. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's the festival of lights. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's a celebration of lights. Through the darkness of the night, we are shining bright. Let our courage be our pride.
So guys, at this point I'm going to use this stuff to cover it for like 30 to 35 minutes. So if you are doing it for your child, you have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So that will be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.